Okay guys, we have this HP laptop. We have to replace the battery of this laptop. So I'm gonna open it first. Welcome to our channel. Today we received an HP laptop and we have to replace the battery of this. I'm gonna open it to show you how to replace the battery. This is HP Envy M7 notebook PC. I'm gonna put the screws here. So now we're good. Actually, let's see if we can open or if there is any other screw. So we need a pry tool and see. I'm not sure, like sometimes we have screws underneath these guys, but I don't see anything underneath. So we are good for this. We can put this one back. It can be okay. Let me see on the safer side if we have any screws here underneath. Sometimes there could be. So yeah guys, there are some screws. There is one underneath. Yeah, there is one screw here, and these are, Phillips screws. So now we have to change this and use this guy. This works. And yeah, okay. So okay, we unscrewed all the screws. This is the back. This one is exactly same battery, so SG03XL. Okay, we ordered from Amazon, and this is how it's gonna look like. Let's see. Open this guy. Okay, so the battery is out. To remove this, we need to push this a little bit from both sides. It's gonna come out. I don't see any clips. So this is the battery guys, so it came out. Let's go and put the new battery in, and we're gonna do like this, the same way the old battery was. Okay, so here we go. So these are the, I think you can see these clips, so it's gonna snap in. Just make sure like it's pressed completely, and then we have to just screw them all. It's better to test it first, so let's screw it, and then we can just like test if it's working fine. So let's turn it on. Actually, new batteries, they come with some charge. If it turns on, this means it's good. If it does not, then I don't know. Wow. So I see the power sign guys. Yeah, so probably you can see the HP logo. It came, and it's gonna start. That is good sign. Probably this PC is too slow. Yeah, it's still on. So So okay, so finally we saw the Rhino. This wallpaper, you guys can see the Rhino on this. We're good. So we're gonna shut it down from here, and we're gonna put it back. Everything. Let's do the screws. Okay guys, so the battery has been installed. Now we have to just like put the cover back, make sure the hinges size go back with the hinges, and just keep, if everything is okay, just start pressing it down so that it snaps in, and then we have to put these screws in first, and you're gonna put this one back. Okay guys, so this is all good. We have put the battery in it, a new battery that was replaced. This is HP NV Core i7. So yeah, you don't need to worry about the configurations, but this is what we did. We just replaced the battery in this laptop and we're good. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please comment below and like it, share it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. We'll see you with another video. Bye.